Hello and welcome to all bacha parties. Welcome at your channel Maths for IIT. And today what we are going to study? Today we are going to study the most important thing for your JEE advanced preparation. What is the name of this method? Method's name is telescopic method. Telescopic method or method of cancellation also students say this, right? Don't go by the name of the method. It is not related to any part of physics, right? Telescope and all things you study in physics, but this is the purely mathematical topic and most important for your JEE advanced exam. You cannot find any year's paper where on this telescopic method questions are not asked. Every year paper 1 paper 2 combined, you will get around 2 to 3 questions only on this telescopic method. So that's why this method becomes most to the power infinite times important for all the students who are going to write the exam this year, next year or next to next year, whatever, right? So let us go and learn what is this telescopic method. See, in this method we try to write the general term as the difference of two terms, and then we start putting the values of summation and cancellation starts. Again I repeat, first of all general term we write, and that general term we try to simplify, reduce as the difference of two terms, okay? And then we start putting the value of k, m, t, whatever, and then we proceed, then the cancellation starts, and then we get our final answer. So if any question we have identified that it is looking like of telescopic method, first of all we will write the general term and then try to reduce that general term as the difference of two terms, then putting the value, substituting, cancelling out, and then getting our answer. So this is going to be our approach, two-step procedure, right? First step general term, second step cancellation and putting the value. Okay, we will understand these two steps by various examples. So first of all we are going to take the advanced 29 problem. Yes, this was the question which was asked in 2009 advanced paper. You can see summation m equal to 1 to 6, theta is from 0 to pi by 2, and cosecant of this was given as 4 root 2. Okay, so in telescopic method, what I told you, the very first step writing the general term and trying to simplify as difference of 2. So I am writing the general term 1 by sine. Okay, now this thing I have to write as the difference of two terms. Alright, so analyze this general term. You can see this is theta plus m pi by 4 and this is theta plus m minus 1 pi by 4. What is the difference of these two angles? If you do this minus this, are you getting pi by 4? We are getting pi by 4. So if here I write sine of a minus b, that is sine of pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2, then we will multiply by root 2. So root 2 into 1 by root 2 will be 1. Right? So see, here I have written sine of this minus this, that means this is 1 by root 2 multiplied by root 2, numerator is still 1, denominator is this. Simple. Can understand? Alright, so sine of a minus b, this we are writing as sine a cos b minus cos a sin b, sine a cos b by sine a sin b. Sin A sin B gone. So we are getting this cot B minus cot A. After expanding the compound angle, we are getting this thing. So this is the general term. Your step 1 is completed. Step 1 of telescopic method is writing the general term and reducing as difference of two terms. So writing the general term, we have reduced it as the difference of two terms. Simple. Right. Now we go ahead. Now we go to the next page. After writing as the difference of 2, we are putting the value of k from 1 to 6. You can see t1, t2, t3, t4, t5, t6. All terms are getting cancelled. And now our summation is thus just cot theta minus this. So we are writing Sn equal to root 2 times cot theta minus this. This we are reducing cot 180 plus theta, that is cot theta. So we are writing as cot 90 plus theta will be minus tan theta. So cot plus tan is 4. We are solving tan theta is equal to t, quadratic equation. We are getting the roots of the quadratic equation as 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. And what is tan theta equal to 2 plus root 3? 75 degree. 2 minus root 3, 15 degree. So we got the angles. This is our answer. So always remember this two-step procedure for telescopic method. Step 1. Step number 1. What we do in the step number 1? Step number 1, we reduce the general term as difference of 2. Step number 2, put the values of k and get the final summation. That's why this method becomes more important. You will find many questions on inverse trigonometry also on this telescopic method. So practice this. Similar type of questions I will show you, and these questions you will try by yourself. All right. See, one more question we have got from 2016, advanced 2016, similar profile, k is from 1 to 13, and here sin A sin B, there it was different, sin A cos B, here it is the sin A sin. So we have to think how we can apply the step number 1. So for step number 1, we write the general term. And you can see the difference of general terms is here what? Here it is pi by 6. So we are writing it as sine of difference of 2, and you can see difference is 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, but on the numerator there was only 1, so we are multiplying by 2, and here we have this we say A, this we say B, this is A, this is B. Now expand it, sine A minus B, that is sine A cos B, divide by this, so you will get cos by this, that is cot of pi by 4 plus a minus 1 pi by 6 minus sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So cos a sin b, this time this will be cancelled. You will get cot of pi by 4 plus k pi by 6. Step 1 is over. Step 1 is over. How to proceed now? Start putting the values of k from 1 to 13, then simplify, you will get your answer. Right? So most important for your JEE exam, and moreover they are asking questions on this in your mains exam also. So whether it is mains exam, advanced exam or any exam, step 1, step 2 remains the same, and easily we can get the answer. Okay, one more question. Yes, advanced 2022. This was the question. Summation m equal to 1 to 9 and secant of this equal to this. Again same procedure. 1 by cos, then cos of a minus b, cos a. No, it is different. 1 by cos, then we will write sine of a minus b, sine of this minus this, sine a cos b minus cos a sin b, then taking common, then cancelling out, you will get your answer. You will feel good, right? So just complete this question by yourself. Come next. Yes, advanced 2022, one question was there which was on trigonometric equations combined with this, but at the first sight students thought that this is going to be the telescopic method, but that was not the case. Okay, this was, many students thought this as the problem of telescopic, but it was not the telescopic. See how we proceed. First of all, theta has been given this, we are simplifying this, 2 sine square 2 cos square. This 2 into cos square we are writing as 1 minus sine square theta. We got this, we put 8 power this as t and t we are solving. T is 8, so 2 sine square theta is equal to 1. Sine square theta is half. Theta we are taking 4 values. In every quadrant, 1 value. Right? So what is the number of elements? 4. So n of s is 4. Now we are simplifying that given term. So 1 upon this was given. It is not the telescopic, because you cannot write this as the difference of 2, which is the very first step of telescopic. So if we cannot write, we can see both angles are same. In earlier problems, angles difference was something. Here angles are same. So it is sine a cos a. So 2 sine a cos a is sine 2a. So we are multiplying, dividing by 2. So 2 by sine 2 theta, 2 by this sine 90 plus theta cos theta. Put all the values, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 8 here, 4 here. Answer is minus 4. Alright, so dear bachas, after a long time, I am putting this useful content for you, because before this many videos were purely information based, like what is the exam, how should we prepare for the advanced exam, how should we study for that, which are the important chapters, how to clear the cutoff, what is the cutoff criteria, all those things we were discussing earlier. But this is most important, that will help you when you are in the exam. Other things were helping you when you need to have the clear-cut idea about the exam, right? So all right, thank you so much, and tata.